Welcome YouTube to the first episode of Who Gets the Display. So today I have these three packages here that I got in Las Vegas. They are exclusives to the Diecast Super Convention and the House of Cars. So today we're gonna review them, we're gonna see them, and we're gonna check who is the favorite. So sit back and enjoy. So the idea is that whoever is the winner for today's review is going to get into this display that you see right here, right? I have 4 of them, and as I keep making videos, I would like to have them populated. So, and they will stay there forever. And also whoever wins is gonna get a surprise at the end. So let's go to the first one, which is the 1993 Ford Mustang Cobra from Maisto. Very nice card right there, front and back. So let's open up. Let's look at it. So details, that front end looks like could use some improvement, and just the grill should be a bit more detail. The headlights are just painted black, not that many details there. Same thing goes into the rear, just plain black there. The windows are painted black, so no interior. Yeah, so not that much details there. At least it has the side view mirrors. I mean, that's about it. So details, 1 star. So paint, I like that color. I like that yellow green color. I like the stripes that go here. However, look at that logo right there. I mean, it doesn't look like it's well printed. I cannot even read Las Vegas there. Yeah, I like that signature though. Not sure who that is, but okay. Painting, 2 star. For build, I don't know, it feels cheaply made. I don't feel the weight here. I don't feel $10 worth of premium here. Yeah, this doesn't look premium to me. This doesn't feel premium to me in my hands. Nice rubber tires though. 1 star. Up next, it's the Johnny Lightning Snake and Mongoose Volkswagen Bus. Very nice looking card. A bit too wacky, but pretty cool. Here's the back. Nice. So details, I mean, I can feel the textures in my fingers. I can feel the quality in the details, the attention to details. So I can feel the curvatures here. I can feel it in the windows, those gaps. They feels good. So I'm giving it 3 stars. for details. For paint, just look at that. It looks wonderful, isn't it? I mean, those logos, they look amazing. They really look well made. I can see clearly all the logos. Very well done. And well, the only thing that's overdoing it is these stars right here, right? But still pretty cool. I like that contrast between the red and white here, so I'm giving it 3 stars in paint. In terms of build quality, yeah, I can feel the premium in this one. Yeah, I can feel the weight, I can feel the metal, I can feel that it's worth $10. Rubber tires, of course. Yeah, it rolls out pretty well. The only thing, the only complaint here is that that axle is a bit loose, but okay. But everything else is very well made, right? And this is plastic, not metal. So I'm giving it a 3. It's good. Not outstanding, but very good. Up next is the hauler and the Regal 1957 Chevy Transport and the Regal Lowrider. Pretty nice looking card. The card looks insanely cool. Kudos whoever did this artwork. Open up. So first the hauler. So details. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? Beautifully done in the front. That grille, that bumper, chrome bumper, the headlights. Yeah, they look pretty good. Pretty nice. And the rear. I'm saying it's good. Details here, it's pretty well done in the cap as well. This one is plastic, and yeah, look at this. It can actually open up. So I'm giving because it's so detailed here at the front, but I'll say meh here. I'll give it a 3, right? It's good. For painting, well, I do like that painting here, that sparkly green here at the top, darker tone, and the lighter tone here. Those stripes look very cool. However, there's a difference here between the front and the rear. This is plastic, so no premium paint here, so that's too bad. I'm giving it a 2 stars. In terms of quality build, I feel this is not premium. I feel too much plastic in it. I don't feel the weight of being premium in these tires. Yeah, these tires don't look premium to me. They feel so cheaply made. So no. In terms of build, I'm giving it a 1. Right? If I would have known this quality build was gonna be like this, I wouldn't have bought it. I wouldn't have spent $20 for this. So, now let's do the Buick. Look at that. Look at those details. They are beautiful. I mean, look at that grille, the bumper, the headlights. I mean, it screams attention to detail. The rear, pretty nice too. Not, of course, not as nice as the front, but pretty good. I wish I could have put the license plate there. So pretty nice. Yeah, all the details in this one. Look at those trims. Those trims are amazing. Yeah. So I'm giving this a 4. Outstanding level to detail. I mean, even the interiors, right, and that roof design right here, pretty good. So for paint, I like that sparkly green again. It's pretty nice. It fits with the Lowrider motif, right? The stripes are pretty well done. Even the logo here looks pretty well printed. I can see the Las Vegas, the letters here. Right. So for painting, I'll give it a 3. For the build, well, I mean, it feels cheap. It doesn't feel premium in my hands. Yeah, it is very well detailed, extremely well detailed. The painting is good. The paint is good, but the quality, lots to be desired. So I'm giving these a 1. Very first that gets the display here. Congratulations, buddy.